Okay. Okay. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? So today I want us to complete on what we started yesterday. On this Unit 12, we are looking at traditional fashions. And we said this is how people dress, this is how people eat, this is how people wear. And that is the fashion, traditional fashion. And I said you will compare, when you try to compare the traditional fashion and the modern fashion, is when now you will get the difference. You will get the difference. I said traditional fashions comes in based on 1, religion, based on 2, tribes, based on 3, culture, and all that. So under the same traditional fashions, sub 1, we are going to look at listening and speaking. Can you say listening and speaking?
Listening and speaking.
Can you say listening and speaking?
Listening and speaking.
On today's lesson, listening and speaking, we are specifically going to look at listening to respond. Listening to respond. And what are you going to respond? You are responding to views or opinions. Views or opinions. You are listening to respond, and you are going to respond on views and opinions. You sit somewhere, somebody talks, you listen, then you respond on what somebody has said. You respond on what somebody has said. So what is an opinion or what's a view? An opinion or a view is a belief. An opinion or a view is a belief. Is a belief. An opinion or a view is a belief. Is a belief. Is a belief is an impression or a judgment held by a person about something or someone. Is a belief. Is an impression. Is a judgment that is held by a person on something or someone. So we are saying an opinion or a view is a belief or judgment. Judgment held on a person or something. Just believe. You just believe. Teacher today is going to punish us. Teacher today is coming to punish us because we failed the exam. Just believe. That's an opinion. That's your view. That's how you take it. That's how you judge the teacher coming to class. Today we are going to be punished. You have not heard it anywhere. It's just your own judgmental. And that's what we call is an opinion. Is an opinion or is a view. So we want to look at when presenting your opinion or views, what to observe when presenting your opinion or views. What are you going to observe when you are presenting your opinion or views? What to observe when presenting an opinion or a view? There are things you need to put into consideration. When you are presenting your opinion. When you want to present your opinion, when you want to present your view, there are things you need to put into consideration. And that is what you wrote yesterday. We said number 1, you have to speak clearly and audibly. Number 1, speak clearly and audibly. When you are presenting your opinion, when you are presenting your views, you have to speak clearly and audibly so that everybody gets what you are saying. Number 2, express your opinion step by step. Express your opinion or view step by step. Step by step. Why should you present your opinion step by step? We say you present your opinion step by step so that others can follow your reasoning. So that others can follow your reasoning. You want to tell us this, how something happened, or something might happen. So I must start reasoning the way you are reasoning. I must follow step by step. So when the teacher will come in class, he will punish us. Why? Because we didn't do the homework. So I must follow that step by step when you are presenting your opinion. Keep your emotions in check. Keep your emotions on check. Keep your emotions on check. Here, when you are presenting your opinion or view, you have to contain your emotions. You have to contain your emotions. What we are saying is that do not get furious when your opinions are challenged. So we are saying do not get furious when your opinions are challenged. How? Like you are in a debate. We are in a debate. I said we are going to have a debate between grade 8 and grade 7. What the debate will read, traditional fashion is more presentable than modern fashion. Traditional fashion is more presentable than modern fashion. So you prepare for that. And we are saying when you will be presenting your opinion or your views on how traditional fashions are more presentable, you need to contain your emotions. Why? Because you can get angered, you can get infuriated, and then you react. And that is when you will lose even what you wanted to say. Your opinion will not be heard. Allow others to give their opinions also. When you are presenting your opinion, you also allow others to give their opinion. Allow others also to give their opinion. Don't just take everything, don't just give us your opinion and then you assume yours is final. So let us also allow others to give their opinion. Do not interrupt when another person is speaking. Always, when you are presenting an opinion, we say, do not interrupt. Do not interrupt when another person is speaking. Do not interrupt when another person is speaking. Always, when you are giving your opinion and somebody wants to interject, do not interrupt. Not interrupt. Leave the person finish his opinion. Do not use abusive language. Remember not to use abusive language. Abusive language should be avoided at all costs. You should not use abusive language. Respect every speaker and his or her opinion. Respect every speaker. Like we shall be having a debate, I've said, and then now that you don't like somebody, for example, you don't like somebody in grade 8. So when he's presenting his opinion, it's like you don't respect that person, so you start howling and even shouting at the same person. That is very wrong. We are saying respect every speaker and his or her own opinion. There are no winners. There are no winners. Remember, there are no winners or losers in a debate or a discussion. There are no winners. There are no losers in a debate or in a discussion. That's why we say we disagree to agree. Let us argue. Bring your opinion, I bring mine. Let us argue. There is always no winner, because what we want is that point to come out clearly. Always support your opinion. Always, when you are presenting your opinion, always support your opinion. Always support your opinion. Always support your opinion. And how do you support your opinion? You support your opinion with facts. Support your opinion with facts or information. You already have information. Like you come to want to share your opinion about the teacher coming to punish you because you have not done homework. You come with the information. Hey, the teachers have said that today everybody who never did the homework will be punished. So you have that information. So you come and say it. So always support your opinion with facts or information, or clearly explain each point. Or clearly explain each point. So this is how you will present your opinion or views in a discussion or in a debate. Are we together? Yes. Okay? Right. Okay? Right. This is what we will do in a debate with grade 8. Number 1, you speak clearly and audibly. Number 2, express your opinion step by step. Number 3, keep your emotions on check. Number 4, allow others to give their opinion. Number 5, you say do not interrupt when another person is speaking. Number 6, do not use abusive language. 7, respect every speaker. 8, always support your opinion with facts or information so that the point is substantiated as it is required. So, class, what are you supposed to do when presenting an opinion or a view? What are you supposed to do? Number 1? Number 2?
Express your opinion step by step.
Number 3?
Keep your emotions on check.
Number 4?
Allow others to give their opinions.
Number 5?
Do not interrupt when another person is speaking.
Number 6?
Do not use abusive language.
Number 7?
Respect every speaker.
And lastly?
Always support your opinion.
So having said all that, I want to promise you that we are going to have a debate about traditional fashion is more presentable than modern fashion. So on the last point, I'm saying always support your opinion. Go have facts. Go have information so that when you will be having the debate, you substantiate your points, and at the end of the day, you emerge the winners in that debate. We shall be very keen to pick the best speaker will be awarded. The best speaker will be awarded, and then the best presenter. There is a speaker and a presenter. We are saying you are presenting an opinion. How do you present? And there is that person who knows how to speak. But we are not going to look at how he presents. We will look at how he speaks. Then we look at another one. We look at how he presents. So that's how you will be able to score. Are you ready for the debate? Yes. Are you ready for the debate? Yes. Okay, that is what I was to have with us today. And I want to give you an exercise. You read intensive reading, read the comprehension on page 218. And then you answer questions on page 220. That is number 2, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So you answer, read intensively. You answer question 2, A, B, C, D. So those are the questions you answer. Otherwise, have a nice day.